problems based on compound interest. Okay, without using the formula, how to find out the problems on compound interest in different method of questions. So I'll show you one by one. For example, if you see the first one, rupees 8,000 is lent at 5% compound interest for 2 years. Find the amount and compound interest. Amount as well as compound interest you have to find out. Because of for 2 years, for the first year we need to calculate. Okay, then only we can get accurately. So for the first year is according to the given data, principal is 8,000. It's given, and rate of interest. So at 5%, right? R is equals to 5% per annum, and time we should take 1 year. First year it is. First year means one complete year. So time is equals to 1 year. It is, and interest we'll find out first here. So interest is equals to PTR by 100. Just remember this to calculate the interest. So here is a P value is 8,000 into time 1. Rate of interest is 5 by 100. Okay, you can calculate this. 800 once 180, so 80 into 5 rupees 400. Okay, 400 is the interest for the first year, right? Now amount is equals to amount, that is equals to principal plus interest, P plus I. So P is 8,000 plus interest is 400. So total rupees 8,400 is the amount for the first year. Now according to the definition of the compound interest, the amount of the first year will be as the principal for the second year, next year. Remember that. Okay, for the second year now. For the second year, now P is equals to. So according to rule, amount for the first year will become the principal for the second year. So P is 8,400 now. Okay, again R is equals to same 5%, and time is 1 year. Second year now. Second means second complete year. So 1 year it is. Time is 1 year. Same we can apply in this. So what we should do? Just interest is 8,400 into 1. Rate of interest is 5 by 100. You can calculate this. 84 times 5, 420. 420 is the interest. Now then amount at the end of the second year. Amount. There is amount at the first year is 8,400. Now amount at end of the second year, that is 8,400 plus same the P plus I, 420. So 8,400 plus 420 is 8,820. Okay, so amount at the end of the second year is 8,820. This is one, and one more they asked compound interest. Okay, again compound interest is, let me write down. So compound interest is equals to final amount, because only for the 2 years it is. So final amount minus starting principal, that means initial principal, initial P. So initial principal is starting, that is final amount is 8,820 minus initial principal is starting, which is given the question, that is 8,000 is lent, right? Starting initial principal is 8,000. 8,820 minus 8,000 is rupees 820. Okay, this is the compound interest for the 2 years together. Or else we can take compound interest nothing but interest of the first year plus second year, also compound interest only. You can observe interest for the first year is rupees 4,000, interest for the second year is rupees 420. The sum of this both also again 820, that is also compound interest. Same, or else we can apply this formula. Compound interest is equal to final amount minus initial principal. Okay, that is also compound interest. Okay, this is the one question. Let us see one more.